Alright, permission slips. In order to have a permission slip available for a particular activity, you must first assign a permission slip to that activity. So let's take a look at that. So when it first comes up and you haven't assigned a permission slip, it'll look like this. It'll say select permission slip. So you can either pick the default permission slip that we have built into the system, or you can create your own. Now, you can edit the text in these boxes. You need to make sure that you have in there somewhere, if you want our report, our permission slip report, to inject scout name and unit number, it needs to be spelled out exactly like this text here. But you can modify this text, put anything you want in there, and then you can save it as a new permission slip. You can name it whatever you like. I'm just going to leave it named new permission slip for our purposes here. And now you have another option. You have the default and new permission slip. You can also fill in the activity title, the departure time and date, the return time and date, the activity location, departure location, or return location. Once you've set all this up, just click Save Permission Slip Settings. So now this particular event has a permission slip associated with it. So when you go to the attendance screen, you now have the option to print the permission slips for all of your scouts. If you're a leader or administrator, you can then pick the scouts, hit Generate Report, and it's going to come up with a report with the information that you've typed in for that event, with each scout's name and the unit number on the report. Now, if you're a scout logging into the system, I have a scout already logged in over here in Chrome. James Osborne is logged in. And you go to the same activity, and you go to registration. He will have the option to print his own permission slip. So he clicks on permission slip, the permission slip is generated, and then he can print this out and get it filled in by his parents and bring it back at the next meeting. Also, if he goes to register for an event, he can print the permission slip from there as well.